In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most compassionate. In this lecture, I am going to explain how to create customer in QuickBooks Desktop. Creating customer in QuickBooks, we can create from 4 places. One is you can see icon bar. From icon bar, you can bring the page of customer. Another home page. From home page, we can see customers. Click on customer and the customer page will be open. Another place is here in the menu. You can see customers. Click on customer, then click on customer center. The customer center, then the customer job will be open. Another option is Control J. Using Control J, you can open the customer page. So after opening the customer page, we come here and click on new customer and job, then click on new customer, and here you see customer name. Write the name of customer, Umar Khan. Here the balance, the amount he should pay for you, he is liable for you. You can write the amount here, and company name, for example, ABC, and full name of your customer, for example, Mr. First name Umar and last name Khan. And job title of your customer. What's the job title or designation of your customer in the ABC company? For example, purchase order, purchase manager. Purchase manager. You can write main phone number here, and you can write work phone number as well. You can write here telephone or mobile number here, mobile number, and you can write fax number as well here, and main email, the email of your customer with whom you are in contact, you can write here. For example, Umar Khan at gmail.com. And CC email, you can write here another person in the ABC company as a CC, and write here website of the company, for example, www.abc.com. And other you can write Facebook ID or LinkedIn or Twitter or Skype ID. Here address details, we can write here the address details to where we send invoice or bill. So you can write also here, and by clicking edit, write here the city. What's the city? For example, Kabul, city name, and province name as well, Kabul, and postal or zip code is 1001, and country Afghanistan. And click on OK. The address detail will be saved here. And ship to goods means that where you want to ship your goods or products. So click on copy if your address is same. So click on copy and click on OK. That same address will be copied here. If you want to edit, you can edit this shipment address, or you can delete from here. For example, delete. So I just want to copy. And then payment setting, you can write here account number. What's account number? And payment terms, you can choose payment terms from here. You can see here 1%, 10, and net 30. It means that your customer make payment within 10 days, so you should give 1% to him. Otherwise, the total amount should he pay to you. And I'm choosing net 30, and here preferred delivery method, you can choose email, mail, or none. It depends upon you. And preferred payment method, which method you like to your customer should pay. For example, cash and check and MasterCard, debit card, every method. If you want to choose, you can choose here cash. And here credit card information also available if you choose your method and using credit card, MasterCard, other cards. So you should write here credit card number and expiry date here, name on your card and address and zip code. Here you can write limit or credit limit, that how much credit you should goods sell to him. It means that your credit should not limit or cross 1000. In price level you can write here. In sale text you can use text code, write text code and text arm and resale number as well. Additional information. In additional information you can select here customer type. For example, my customer is wholesaler. You can choose wholesale. For retailers, you can choose retail. Referrals, for referrals, you can choose referral, and you can add new. So I am choosing wholesale. And REP, it means REP, that a person, in case of your customer want to ask about the products, their quantity, their, if he has your customer has information or questions regarding the products, so you can write here a person name to contact with them, and then click on OK. So your customer information will be saved here, and you can edit from here as well if you want to bring changes in your customer information. Or you can click here on your customer right clicking, you can edit your customer job, and you can delete your customer from here as well. By deleting, you can delete your customer.